We're at the Eoff residence and we're going to perform a repair on this shingle here that was marked up by the field adjuster on the back slope. First thing I'm going to do is make sure the sealant strips at the bottom are detached or unsealed, and then I'm going to undo the sealant strips on the two shingles above our damaged shingle. So break that bond. Stagger onto the shingle here. Okay, so we've got the bond broken so we don't tear anything when we get this shingle out. Next thing we're going to do is remove the first row of fasteners. This shingle is fastened in just underneath here. And then it's got a second row of fasteners where this shingle is nailed into the top of this shingle right up here. So we're going to remove both rows of fasteners so we can have access to dislodge this shingle. Okay, you can see shingle's up right here, but it's still being held in up there. So we're going to go for those fasteners next. Okay. Now our shingle hasn't come loose yet because the fasteners are probably still in the roof. They've just pulled through the shingle on the first row, but the second row, I think they're still in. Starting to come loose. All right, we've got our shingle out, and you can see first row of fasteners, and then the second row of fasteners up top there. But what you notice is the nails didn't come out with the shingles, so now we have to remove those nails so that nothing's impeding our new shingle going in. You can see the shingle sitting up a little bit off the roof deck, so that's going to be those fasteners left in there. Okay, we've got our first row out. Now we need to get our second row fasteners out so that nothing is in the way of the new shingle. All right, I believe we've gotten all of our fasteners out. Now we're going to take our new shingle. The closest thing we found was a Owens Corning laminate. Looks like it's about 1/3 of an inch too big for our old shingle. You can see if you want to come in closer that it doesn't fit in, so it's going to need to be trimmed. So we're going to trim it down to size on the edges and